This is a national crisis at this point, and I don't think it's been taken as seriously as it should be.
So my little boy is 4 years of age. We're in Waterford, and currently I've had to accept an extra preschool year for my son because there was no junior infant space available for him in any schools in Waterford.
So he should be going in September into junior infants, but he'd be staying in preschool for an extra year.
Yes.
So Jay is 5. He's a pre-verbal autistic little boy. He's the most amazing little boy, and he requires a special school for September. So in Dungarvan, which is where I'm from, there's only one special school, and there was a lottery system for spaces. There was only 8 places. There were 73 applicants. We have nowhere to go. There is nowhere else that is possibly acceptable for my son. He definitely would not thrive in any other environment. I mean, I get the word a lot that says manage. I hate the word manage because managing is just not acceptable. My son requires a life skill based environment for his education, and life skills is exactly what he needs. So I'm not going to settle for any less because he deserves that.
We are just looking for equality in education for all of our children with additional needs. They all need appropriate school places, and I think that's the major word here, is appropriate. There's so many children looking for spaces. They're actually in inappropriate places at the minute. There's many children in mainstream classrooms that shouldn't be there, and they need to have these, this extra help, but they're not getting it.
At the end of the day, every single one of us is tired. We have had to move heaven and earth to even be here today, to be able to fight for our children. Our children are the most fantastic individuals. They have so much to give and they have so much potential. And it is absolutely being stifled in this country. And I don't know, is it because they don't think our children are worth education or worth whatever, but they have absolutely so much to provide in the community. I'm willing to fight for anything that's worth it for my child, but it is despicable in this country. Our children are treated as second-class citizens, and that is the point.
You're trying to go to all of these therapies, you're trying to do all of these things for your children, and at the same time you're getting stonewalled everywhere you look. It's not good enough, and my child is worth more.